Bonjour everybody, hope you are great. So today it's smoky time. So we're gonna learn how to create a soft and natural smoky eyes. How are you, girl?
Good, yourself?
I'm great. So we're gonna do smoky eyes, very natural and soft. You can see I do it the half already. So now we're gonna do it the other side. So first of all, you have to apply the lift eyes patch, and this is what it looks like. Right there, you can see it right now on the model. So the way we have to apply, you have to take it off and then put it right there, exactly like here, and then et voila, they give you a perfect lift on the eyes, and you can see it's gonna capture the fallout. To create a soft and natural smoky eyes, we're gonna start it with this. So this one is the Extreme Whole CC Eye Primer. I'm gonna put it all over the lid. Like you can see, it's gonna cover all the redness, all the imperfection on the eyes. And you can see the eyes is more luminous and it's covering all the imperfection. So now we're gonna start it with the smoky eyes, very soft and natural with this palette. So this one is the dress code business casual. So step one, we're gonna use it this shade, the lightest shade. We're gonna put it under the brow, just like this. And I use like a flat brush from Lise Werier, of course, to give you more definition on the eyebrows. And you can see, ooh la la. Step two, we're gonna use it this shade right here. We're gonna apply all over the lid. What I like to do is press on the eyeshadow and just dab it to create more the pigment. We're gonna put it this lightest shade in the corner. So step 5, with the same palette, we're gonna define the crease. So this color, and you can see her crease. Open your eyes, it's right here. So don't go over top or over low. And don't be shy to put it eyeshadow, because it's color, we have to play. We don't have rules with colors. So the step 6, we're gonna use the darker shade, what we have here, and we're gonna blend with the crease and the lid. Right here, we're gonna put it like outside on the corner on the eyes. It's gonna help to define the shape of the eyes. And you have to blend with the crease color and the lid. And don't forget, you have to blend. This is the most important with eyeshadow. So now, for the lower lashes, we're gonna apply these two, like the dark one and the shade I use it for the crease, just on the lower lashes, just right here, to create and define the look. Very close to the lashes, that's gonna create a beautiful diffusion. So now we're gonna apply the eyeliner. So I'm gonna use the Traceur Paupières Imperméable Intense, and this one is the color Chocolat Intense. So I'm gonna start it at the end of the eye, just like this. Put it a little bit more thicker, and from the inside a little bit more thinner. And I don't breathe because the liner have to be shaped. So It's very important, the eyeliner. I don't want to be like eyeliner like this, like, you know what I mean? Excellent. So now you can see with the eyeliner how the look it's more pretty. So you can see right now the beautiful effect of smoky eyes, soft and neutral smoky eyes. And for finish the look, never forget the mascara. I'm gonna use the V Element. This is gonna create a voluminous separation your lashes. And voila. Wow, wow, wow. We're gonna apply tiny on the lower lashes. Just very tiny. So now we're gonna take it off all the patch eyes. Then you're gonna see the final look. And voila, what it looks like. A beautiful smoky eyes, soft and neutral smoky eyes. Do you like it, girl?
I love it.
You love it? How you can see, she don't have concealer and she have bright under the eyes already with this beautiful patch lift eyes.